Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. U-Ethan Cheslet usebenzisa i-hype ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi aqale ibhizinisi lakhe elisha bafethu. Ayif asifundi from abelungu angazi ukuthi siyofunda nini. Lo muntu uyabona ukuthi is playing for the biggest team in South Africa. Uyazi ukuthi anything le ayidrobhayo izoba ne-buzz on the ground. By the time aqala ukudlala, if futhi wenza kahle, baningi abantu abazothenga i-product yakhe, right? So, and usebenzisa uClose-ke nama-player Kaizer Chiefs obvious usebenzisa uCele ukuthi ampromothele i-brand as sort of i-model lakhe ukuthi nje ampromothele i-brand yakhe bobawu-two. Obviously-ke behind the mini i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-biggest brand in South African football. So, uyasibonisa lana uCheslet ukuthi when you have a big platform efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, try and make money out of it, not just ukuthi wena ujabulele nje ukuthi udlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs nje kuphela, sika u-businessman ngapha. I remember loye ngibabona banocele emalokishini ney'thombe zabo laphana what is this kasi in KZN? I don't know if iKwamashu or Semlazi, la they were outside with kids and stuff like that, even emagrawundini lawa uma-dusty grounds lawa semalokishini baloke behamba khona. Yena nobhuti wakhe, they just grounded. I'm sure they sat down and thought of this ukuthi okay bane-opportunity enkulu la yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. What can they get from ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, because they might not do it for long, yabo. So a good thing ukuthi wavele wasethi ibhizinisi lakhe umfana. So into esisayibonile ama-guts bafowethu la wathengisayo noma azowathengisa in the next few days, ilokhu njani ibhizinisi lakhe liyaqala. I-Joga, if I'm pronouncing the word well, i-company-ke kuthiwa eproducer izinto ezincane, ama-guts personalized for ama-footballers. I'm sure from leyo nto leyo they will also sell ezinye izinto. Imagine usebenzisa uCele, everything ezotouchwa uCele, something is gonna come out positive. They're gonna generate good money from that thing. So it's all up to bona. Okay, so kulele kuye manje uCheslet ukuthi medlala lapha na uKaizer Chiefs, because medlala uzobukela millions and millions, abantu abaningi futhi bazokwazi ngayo, because khona abantu abalandela ibhola ku-match day squad kuphela bafethu. They don't even know the players, because sometimes mengihlangana nabantu bayangibuza ukuthi ubani manje lo bowukhuluma ngaye, angimazi mina, bengiqala ukumbona because of iplayer likakadlali. Khona abantu nje baziyela estadium or abazibukelela ibhola babona labantu abadlalayo kuphela, laba abangadlali-ke aba-understand. Baningi-ke labo bantu labo. So by the time aqala ukudlala, izinto zizotshentsha kakhulu nebhizinisi lakhe lizokhula kakhulu bafethu. Singafunda kumlungu, ayabelungu bafethu o-master, hayi ngiyamvuma. Imagine if uVilakazi uqala i-brand yakhe bafethu, abantu bamthanda kangaka ukuthi i-brand yakhe ingahamba kangakanani. Nge-brand yakhe asebenzise nje ukuthi uwumfundo Vilakazi, angenza imali way more than le mali le ku-Kaizer Chiefs abamnika yona. Waziwa abantu abawungakho uVilakazi. Uzothi a-announce laphana kuma-online ku-platform yakhe athi uzoba seSoweto, lese close to eJabulani, whatever the place, azithengisele yena leyo nto leyo, lese de uziphathele izinto eziwu-1,000 or ikhiphe eziwu-1,000. People will come in big numbers. I've seen even uRonan Williams bekenze activation. I will remember this suburb, man. It was not even uRonan Williams, bekuyi-company le beyimsponsor izinto ezinjalo enze activation. But you know how many people came there? Over 400 people bazobona uRonan Williams. He's not even one of the biggest stars in the country in terms of like ukuthandwa abantu. What about ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzenzela into yakho ukuthi ungenza imali enganani? Cabanga nje lese ngelanga uzenzela u-100,000 ama-R100 if uVilakazi uqala i-products noma yini, abe neyikipa lese uthengisa iyikipa oqala abe or amakepisi abhalwe paper 2, whatever into angayiqala, and then aphathe awu-1,000, asho ukuthi uzobe sendaweni ethize, abantu kungaphuma abantu abangakanani atarget lese i-month end. So ziningi izinto abantu abangenza imali ngazo. Because if I'm close to, okay, I went to school vele in terms of creative art and whatever, khona abantu abafeyibasa abaningi baziyo, and I'll ask them ukuthi mfethu, njengoba waziwe eSouth Africa yonke, unalo i-million, athi umuntu akanalo ne-million, ayenzi sense leyo nto leyo bafethu. Ngeke waziwe abantu abawu-20 million but-ke ungakwazi ukucapitalize, ukusebenzisa leyo nto leyo ukuthi bayakwazi abantu bayakuthanda, so qala i-product yakhe ezokwenzela ama-millions. That's what uCheslet is doing. Akakaziwa-ke ebholeni lase-South Africa, to be honest. An average person akamazi, but by the time bamazi and babona i-brand yakhe ukuthi associated kanjani ne-Kaizer Chiefs kwasha kwacima, uzokwenza imali eningi. Simfisela inhlanhla mfowethu, baningi abantu aba-anticipate i-first play yakhe. But yeah man, as a footballer, as umuntu osaziwayo, you don't have to rely ukuthi to ikhampani ukuthi ikukhokhele. You gotta be business minded now, uzibone as a product wena, uzibone as a brand, and how to curate that thing ukuthi uzokwenza izinto kanjani. I hope abafowethu bayafunda lapho oVilakazi, oShabalala. I hope they're looking at this thing, banayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi oh okay, because ngiku-Kaizer Chiefs, cause khona abantu baku-Kaizer Chiefs this year, next year ngeke babe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Thola ukuthi umuntu beku-Kaizer Chiefs for 5 years, but-ke nje imali yakhe bokuyiholo lakhe lela ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then nama-activation amancane, but-ke yini into yakhe ezomphilisa outside i-football. Lose uZitha kunaboma, what is it, 31 or 30 whatever. Yini into e-tangible yakhe, abantu into enga-associate, enga-draw abantu to yena. Nginokubona even oVilakazi, oDuba, oShabalala banoku-advertise ama-product wabantu. Agcina ama-product wabantu seyiduma i-product yakhona, but akusiyo i-product yakhe. Mhlawumbe bamnike lo 5,000 ukuthi hayi, ithi advertise namhlanje ngayo, so kusho ukuthi isithombe siposte online. Leyo nto le iyatrenda ngoba kuzotrenda uVilakazi, but they're not aware ukuthi umuntu wenza u100,000 ngabo nje. And bona mhlawumbe bathola, sometimes thola ukuthi umngani wakhe, wenzela umngani wakhe waqala ibhizinisi, uthi mfana ngicela uzongisiza ngento eso, kanti umngani wenza imali eserious. So ziningi izinto abangazenza. Ba-few yazi abantu abaqala izinto zama-brand bafethu, ba-few ngempela yazi, especially abantu basebholeni. Bakhona baku-entertainment, fana nalo sisi lo ubani u-DJ Zinhle, uqalele lezi zinto zamantombazana, ngazi izinhle whatever, wenza imali ngaleyo nto leyo eserious. If okay, I'm not okay, to be fair, I'm not sure ukuthi wenza imali, but kuya ngokuthi into yakhona uyimaketha kanjani, nanokuthi abantu bakuthanda kangakanani. But uma uwumuntu webhola, udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, abantu bakuthanda kakhulu bafethu. Imagine for example no-Riley Mofokeng aqala i-product yakhe, bazoyithenga abantu just ukuthi ka-Riley Mofokeng, not kubhayi ukuthi, they won't even buy ukuthi quality whatever, they'll buy just ukuthi u-Riley Mofokeng. So nabanye abadlali abaningi bafethu, they have to look at this moment ka-Cheslet and be inspired. Bangakhali, ngeke ukuthi for me ayenzi sense, because I've also tapped into the marketing side of izinto. Ngabona ukuthi abanye abantu bahlakaniphe kangaka, bakwazi ukusebenzisa udumo labo. Khe ngizovala ngomuntu engike ngasebenza naye, ubani Charlo, uLinda Mtoba. Bekakusibaya, ku-The River, kwitori different nje azenzayo. Yazi wenzani manje uthi wenza, so mangiba ne-conversation naye, that time ngisebenza naye, uthi kimi uwenza imali online than le mali abamnika yona yoku-actor. So akasadingi nokuthi a-acte, because ukwazile ukusebenzisa ubuso bakhe ukuthi ku-Instagram, mostly ngoba yena usebenza ku-Instagram, usebenzisa i-Instagram ukumaketha izinto, uku-advertise ama-products. So she's able to make way more money just ukusebenzisa ubuso bakhe. Sithemba ukuthi nama-soccer players amanye sewahlakaniphile, not just ukuthi basebenzise i-social media ukutrenda nje kuphela, abasebenzisa i-social media ukumaketha izinto zabo, bayathengisa bafethu, benza imali eserious abafana. Cabanga umele isalary nje every month, but waziwa abantu abayi-17 million. Awukwazi nokuthengisa i-product yakho kubantu abayi-100,000 abakuthandayo. Hayi bafethu, bahlakaniphe bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure bafethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.